Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find unique values in SQL using distinct statement. I'm using datasets I've downloaded from IMDB, the online database of films and TV programs. If you don't have the database file yet, you can watch my previous video in which I explain how to download the datasets and convert them into SQL-friendly format. If you can't wait to practice SQL, you also have the option to download the database I prepared for you. I'll leave a download link in the description text. Okay, let's get going. Let's go to the browsing view. Let's stay on the basics table and find this column that says title type. Let me make this a little bit wider. So you can see that many of these films are short films. They were from the 1890s. It looks like this was a common practice to make these very short films. But if you scroll down, you will see other entries like video, TV episode, movie, short, etc., etc. So what I would like to do is I would like to get a list of all the possible title types that are available in this list. If you go to this official IMDB website, it kind of gives you a clue. So scroll down and find the basics table. This is the same table that we're looking at, and under the title type, it actually gives you a couple of examples: movie, short, TV series, etc., etc. But this is not a complete list. So let's go to the editing view. What I'll do is I'll start with a very simple select statement. Let's select everything from this title type column. So I will say title type from the table basics and execute. Okay, it's returned something, but this is not exactly what I had in mind. I would like to find all the unique values. All of these are duplicates. I only need one row that says short and another one that says movie, and so on. There's an easy way to do that. So just before the column name, I will insert distinct. That's it. Let's run this again and see what happens. Okay, it's loading and it's done. Okay, this is more like it. This is what I was looking for. There's short, there's movie, TV short, they even have video games. Okay, so there are 10 items, 10 title types in total. The other thing I would like to show you is that you can use distinct statement with an aggregate function like count. So if I do something like this, select count title type from basics. This is going to count every single row in the table. So it's going to be millions of rows. But instead, if you add distinct in here, it's going to count only the unique values. Let's run this. Okay, it's returned 10 because there are 10 distinct values in the table. Okay, this is how you use a distinct statement. Let's keep practicing. Go back to the browsing view and let's find another table. Let me see. Let's use this one, principals. Okay, so this table is about crew members. If you look at the category, there are a couple of job functions, job categories: director, cinematographer, composer, producer. Let's say you want to know how many job categories are in this table. You can use the distinct statement again. So let's delete this and I'll start a new statement. Select count distinct. What's the column name? It's called category. Category from the table name is principals. And let's run the query. Okay, it's doing some thinking. Let's see. All right, so there are 12 distinct category names. Now, if you want to sense check that, you can also print out all the distinct categories. So let's do that. Just remember that the answer for this first query was 12. There are 12 distinct categories. Now, I'm going to print out all the distinct categories. Instead of counting, I will simply do this. Select distinct category from the table name principals. And let's run it like this. Okay, we have the result. We have 12 categories altogether. Yeah, it's looking good. Great work! You've just learned how to use distinct statement in SQL. There are a lot more you can do with SQL, and I can't wait to share more advanced and useful features with you. If you'd like to continue with this tutorial, you can keep watching the series up here. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel down here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.